How to download Snapchat memories. If you want to download Snapchat memories, first of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon and this will open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and find the My Data option. You will find this under Account Actions. Go ahead and select that. Over here, you will find the option of My Privacy and Data. Select that. Then you will find the option that says export your memories. Toggle this option on. Then here it says request only memories. Tap that. Now you want to select your time range. You can select from yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 years to all time. Select whichever you prefer. After that, you want to tap on the submit option. Now as you can see, Snapchat is creating a copy of files. This process can take some time, so you need to wait. After that, you can simply tap on the See Exports option and here tap on the Download option. Now the downloaded file will be a zip file. Open the HTML file, find the memory history file where all your memories are saved. Click Download all memories to save them to your device. Ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection for faster downloading. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.